everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you briefly, because it's already done, how to make your own printed border printer paper. And as you can see, it's already done. This is used with Japanese masking tape. That's what these are. These are Japanese masking tape. This is the second time I did the video because the first time I had a bit of corruption with my SD card, which unfortunately failed. So this will be the second time I'm filming it, so I'm going to do it this way. So as you can see here, this is the done product. This is these two on a piece of paper. So what you do now is, if you have a scanner and a printer, even though all-in-one, which most people do now these days, what you do is you open this up, put that on just like that. Now mine just says copy, so I'm going to push copy. I'm just going to do a standard copy. Push color. And this is a Canon printer. And what's nice about this one, if I want to cancel the copy, all I have to do is put in another original and it'll clear its memory. But okay, let's see here. Alright, it dropped it. This is what the final product looks like. So I now have a printer, printed border printer paper. And I made this myself. Now, if you really wanted to get fancy with it, you would put it into a program like Photoshop or Microsoft Paint, and what you can do is lighten all this up and make it get really cool. So this is the finished product. I'm very happy with it. So let's compare the two. Let's compare the two. On the right is the original. On the left is what I scanned. So this is my printed border printer paper. Pretty cool, huh? So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click the bell for more notifications.